I'm Professor Júlio de Carvalho. I'm a researcher at the graduate program in bioprocess engineering at UFPR. And I'm part of the research team at the BioAD project, which is part of PRINT. This project, BioAD, is an acronym for the biotechnological process development for the production of advanced biofuels, which is centralized in a sense in our graduate program, but involves three other graduate programs at UFPR. The main objectives for this research are the development of human resources and the consolidation of the graduate programs at the university. But in terms of motivation, there will be a shift towards other renewables, and the way to do that change, that transition, is through research, we feel. So the technical objectives that the project has are involved in the improvement of the integrated processing of residues from biomass and bioethanol production. That would be in Brazil and India, for example, sugarcane, but in other countries, wood shavings are very important, and straws from production of rice and corn are also lignocellulosic biomasses that can be used. The idea is to make the deconstruction of this lignocellulosic biomass into lignin, into C5 and C6 sugars, and then to produce a multitude of products from that. So what is new there? The biofuel development is rather incremental. So everybody heard about lignocellulosic biofuels, second generation ethanol, third generation ethanol. But what we will do in this project is to build on previous experience in biomass processing that we already have, and our partners also do have, and articulate that with other groups to shorten the development cycle, thinking of using a multitude of biomasses, aiming the validation of an approach of using this biomass, and that involves the bioprospection and targeted modification of microorganisms with modern molecular biology techniques, and the overall aim is the integrated bioprocessing with zero waste. Besides biofuels are very important, but we feel that the use of biofuels is sort of an interim technology. So we aim also the production of novel products from C5 and C6, and that involves the development of strains, of resistant strains that can use direct hydrolysates, for example. In terms of numbers, we have 4 graduate programs at UFPR directly involved in this task. That would be the Bioprocess Engineering Group, the Biochemistry Group, the Chemical Engineering Group, and the Chemistry Group. And we have 7 other graduate programs in the state. We have 16 Brazilian researchers directly involved, 14 foreign researchers from Canada, United States, India, Portugal, China, Argentina, South Africa, Russia, France, and Germany. And we are open, of course, for new participants. And the funding for this project is centered into human resources and development. And in that sense, we seek further funding for equipment and consumables. We, of course, already have part of that, but it's a long-term research, and we are also open for new calls. And the tasks will be attacked through thesis and postdoctoral research. So we have opportunities for students and researchers from abroad.